Windsor and Northumberland.
I thought so.
When, from 2 a.m. Friday through late Friday night,
My phone decides to freeze.
excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: Debbie will bring heavy rainfall over the watch area early Friday morning through early Saturday morning. Widespread rainfall accumulations of 3 to 5 inches are expected with local
42 did I even go off?
to 7 inches
At least you did.
http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Flood watch remains in effect from 2 a.m.
Well, at least I got that. I missed a little bit of it because my phone decides to freeze. So, yeah. Nice. Alright, well, that was a flood watch.